Hey, I just wanted to give you a quick demonstration on how to use the Garage RetractVac retractable hose. So to use the hose, you're going to grab the handle and pull out the hose. Go ahead and just give it a good pull, and you'll know you're at the end when you hear the end of the hose click and lock. Just like that. Once you're locked in, you can turn the suction on, and to do that, there's a little lever right here behind the ball. Just put that suction on, and you'll be good to start vacuuming. You can grab whatever tools you have and put those on the end of the hose. When you're done, you're going to take your hose handle, put your hand right on the end and seal up the suction. With your other hand, you're going to reach the back end of the hose right where it comes out of the inlet and give it a twist. When you do that, the suction will pull that hose all the way back in, and when you get to the very end, just go ahead and let the handle roll right over the end of that ball, and when you do that, it'll hit that switch and turn the suction right off.